Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video I am going to show you how to fix not turning on issue on MacBook Pro, Air and Mini. Guys, if you facing this issue, then keep watching this video until the end. First of all, subscribe my channel and like this video. Let's start it. Solution 1. Remove the MacBook from charging and press and hold power button for 10 seconds. After a while, reconnect the charging cable to the MacBook and again press and hold power button for 10 seconds. In this way, your problem will be solved. If solution number 1 not working, then apply next solution. Solution number 2. One of the most important reasons why the MacBook won't turn on can be that your MacBook is not charging and your charging cable is not working. So first change your charger. Solution 3. Restart your Mac. Press and hold Command and R. SMC. Reset System Management Controller. Here click on Restart. Press and hold Shift Control Option and Power button. Solution 5. Reset the NVRAM. Press and hold Option, Command and PR. Solution 6. Clean the charging port. Rub the charger well with a razor. Clean the MacBook charging port thoroughly with a soft cloth, bush or sponge. The charging port may be slow and the charging problem is due to the charging port being dirty. In this way, your problem will be solved. Guys, if this video helpful for you, please like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.